Do you know how your parents felt that you were moving back to the Lower East Side after your father had left there?
My father was almost ashamed of that because one time when I was visiting him, he was working in Manhattan at that time. I needed a ride to get back home to my flat. I could take the subway or I could even walk, but instead he decided he was going to drive me home, and he did. And we stopped right in front of my house, my tenement house, and it was on 12th Street and Avenue B as a part of the Lower East Side. And he said to me that he used to live just a couple of blocks away from there. And I said, "Oh, good, Dad. Would you like to come up and see my flat and my artwork?" And he said no. He didn't want to do that. And I realized later, because he didn't want to go back, he was almost ashamed that I had to live on the Lower East Side, that I should have tried for something better. But I liked the Lower East Side. I felt very comfortable there.